Let's explore a typical lesson. We're going to launch Amplify Desmos Math. In this example, grade 6, choose the unit, and then select your desired lesson. I'm going to use this pizza maker for our example. You can see right away immediately that this is a recommended digital lesson. You also can see here an overview in terms of the goals, both the standards that you're working on and towards. Down below I have this at a glance. At a glance gives me the structure of every lesson, which starts with the warm-up and then the activity 1, 2, and sometimes activity 3. Here we get a quick way to say the estimated times, not only the goals of those individual activities, but also the idea of prior grade level skills that they are working from and towards. We also have available to us lesson practice. Lesson practice is available digitally as well as in print. In digital, you could assign this to your class. You also have the ability to preview that by simply clicking on the preview button. Let's go back to the main lesson. Beyond lesson practice, you also have additional practice. Additional practice is not available digitally, only currently available in the teacher book with a giant P on the front for practice. Here you have the ability to assign this lesson. You can quickly see all of the screens that are here that your students would interact with. Again, at the top you can see notes, the warm-up activity, so that you get an idea. You can always click preview and see firsthand what those students are seeing. One of the benefits to previewing the lesson is you can go through and see everything that students would see. And don't forget those important buttons at the bottom, teacher moves. This helps you understand how you should pace the lesson based on the recommendation of the publisher. And then things you should be looking for, along with some sample responses. A good way to get some insights on your anticipation. Go ahead and close that. And then the very bottom of our lesson, you can see you have the in-print available materials, both the teacher edition as well as the student edition, if you were to opt for the in-print as opposed to the digital version of these lessons.